It's your day in tech history, and it's brought to you by our friends over at DJI. Get yourself your own drone by going over to geekazine.com/DJI. Jeffrey Powers here. I welcome you to the Day in Tech History, a full rundown of technology history 7 days a week. Subscribe to the show via iTunes, Stitcher, or download right from dayintechhistory.com. Now let's find out what happened on this day, your day in tech history. April 5th. 1982, the New York Times reported on the front page of the version of Microsoft BASIC incorporated into IBM personal computers contained a basic mathematical flaw caused by a bug by the floating point math routine on the BASIC ROM chip. 1983, Honeywell introduced the MicroSystem's 610 microcomputer. It featured an 8086 and LSI-6 processors, 128 kilobytes of RAM, dual 5.25-inch floppy disks, keyboard, I/O ports, and a whole bunch more, starting at $4,000 and going up to $10,000. 1988, Intel released the 8960 processor, otherwise known as the i960. It had a RISC-based processor and was used as an embedded controller. It would be in use until about 1990. 1995, the Security Administrator tool for analyzing networks, otherwise known as its acronym SATAN, was released to the Internet. And in 1999, Advanced Micro Devices, or AMD, releases the 475 MHz K6-2 processor, $213. And America Online acquires when.com. And now this word from our friends over at DJI Technologies. You know you want a drone. You're a techie kind of person. You like to have fun outdoors, and it is getting warmer now. It's kind of like when you were a kid and you got that first RC car, except this one flies. Connect the camera and record around your house. You can go to your park and put together some great videos of your kids playing ball, flying kites, and more. You can even get the ball or the kite's perspective. If you go over to geekazine.com/DJI, geekazine.com/DJI, you can get free shipping on that DJI Phantom 2. It's the one that I have and use all around Madison here. Then go out to the park and have yourself some fun. Geeky fun with DJI Technologies and the Phantom 2 drone. Now let's get back into your day in tech history. 2000, America Online unveils version 6 of Netscape Navagator for personal computer. According to Jim Martin, general manager of Netscape Net Center, Netscape 6 is built around the base of 5.5 million bytes of code. 2001, Yahoo teams up with Duet Music Initiative in order to offer an online music subscription service. 2004, Microsoft released the Windows Installer XML toolset, otherwise known as Wix or WIX, under a common public license. Wix basically builds Windows installers from XML documents. 2006, Apple Computer announced the release of Boot Camp, which is the ability to actually install and dual boot Microsoft Windows XP or Windows Vista on Intel-based Macintosh computers. Also in 2006, McAfee acquires SiteAdvisor, which is a download security service, for $70 million. 2008, Microsoft sets a 3-week ultimatum for Yahoo before Microsoft starts proceedings of a hostile takeover. Chris Clark bought the domain pizza.com about 15 years ago. After squatting on it in a failed website attempt, Chris decided to put it up for auction. When it was all said and done, pizza.com sold for $2.6 million. Also in 2008, Facebook begins to roll out a chat program for their social network. 2009, a geocoding error turns a nice block of LA as the most crime-ridden location in the world. It was 1 block away from LAPD's new police headquarters. And after an arduous negotiation period, IBM pulls its offer to buy Sun Microsystems. The last bid was at $9.55 a share. And in 2011, Mozilla absorbs the Thunderbird Group. And that's your Day in Tech History. My name is Jeffrey Powers, www.dayintechhistory.com. All the show notes are over at wikizine.com, Geekazine's wiki. And of course, you can like the Facebook page and follow Twitter at Day in Tech Hist. Until tomorrow, take care. Day in Tech History is copyright 2015, JMP Enterprise and Geekazine.com.